Welcome to week 5. We have now concluded 4 whole weeks of classes. In the 8-week session, this is the equivalent of one half of the course. We are now starting the second half of the class. Hope you had a good weekend. Here's what's coming up this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topic being covered this week. Yes, 2 new chapters are the equivalent of 2 more weeks worth of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, or exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar or Canvas. Make sure and read Chapter 9, Food and Agriculture, pages 306 to 344, and Chapter 10, Development, pages 349 to 379 on your textbook. Also review the lecture notes, instructor study guides, and the videos provided as content for these topics. Cultural Geography News Discussion number 3, available later today, Monday, November 11th, and is due Friday, November 15th by 11:59 p.m. Cultural Geography Special Topic number 3 on gerrymandering and whether independent commissions should decide the boundaries of electoral districts in the United States will be available by tomorrow, Tuesday, November 12th, and is due Saturday, November 16th by 11:59 p.m. Don't forget to provide references from class materials to back your assertions, and also make sure and provide the 2 sides of the issue along with your opinion. Please remember to log into the course at least 3 times a week, or preferably daily, so I can see that you're active in the class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course. I know I'm a bit behind with grading your assignment, but I will be catching up today. Have a great rest of the week, and we'll see you online.